Hi guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're gonna jump right into it. So today we're gonna be demonstrating how to create stickers. Now generally most stickers have that really thick outline. So instead of outlining it manually, which I call the hard way, I'm gonna show you a little shortcut. So first we're gonna start with the blank canvas. I clicked screen size. So let's go here. So I'm just gonna start off with something basic. Let's do a flower. Now to get a perfect circle, for those who do not know, you just draw a circle, and while you're still holding with your pencil, tap with your finger and it'll give you the perfect circle. And that goes for lines, straight lines, ovals, any shape pretty much. If you just hold it down, it'll give me that perfect petal. Okay, I really didn't like that one. Oh, I got 10%. No worries. I do have my charger close by. Okay, it's not the best flower, guys, but let's just keep it going. I'm super extra, and if I dwell on it too much, I swear to you, I will literally keep redoing this flower. So let's not do that. So I'm just filling it in pretty quickly. Let's pick a color for the center. I'm just gonna do like a dark brown, whatever. Okay, so now that we have the basic flower, I did open up the layers panel. I'm gonna slide to the left. I'm gonna tap duplicate. Now, this is obviously the layer that's on top. I'm gonna choose the layer that's on the bottom. When you choose the layer that's on the bottom, you wanna alpha lock it. Alpha lock will be right here. Once you tap on it, boom. If you tap on it again, it turns it off. But let's turn on alpha lock for now. Open up your color palette to make sure that you're on a black or whatever outline that you want your sticker to be. That is the color you need to choose. So let's remove the background so we can see it better. For this one, I'm going to do a white outline since most sticker outlines are typically white. Alrighty, so now that alpha lock is on, we're going to click fill layer. Now, once you turn on your alpha lock and you click fill layer, it's going to automatically color it in. I'm going to turn off the layer that's on top so you can see what I mean. Okay, so now what you want to do is turn off your alpha lock. You do not want to forget to turn off your alpha lock, because for the next step, it will not work if your alpha lock is on. I still do it from time to time once I'm moving too fast. So select the bottom layer, the one that we did just color fill. I have turned the alpha lock off. Now you're going to click your little magic wand right of the wrench, and you're going to hit Gaussian Blur. Now what Gaussian Blur is, it's going to literally blur, and you see it's giving that glow in the background. It gets bigger, it gets smaller, and this little blue stream up here actually tells you how much percent that you're using. So I'm not going to do that much. I'm going to do about I'll say 40 is fine. Let's do 46. Okay, so now that that is done, once you open up your layers, you'll see it looks like a blur. So let's hit the select tool. It's on automatic. Always make sure your select tool is automatic for what we're about to do. So I'm going to drag to, okay, that was actually too much. So once you drag to the right or the left, it actually, let's do this again because maybe I Gaussian blurred it a little too much. So let's try it again. So gonna go to Gaussian blur, and once you go to the right, this little blue stream is actually telling you how much of Gaussian blur you're using. So you don't need that much. I'm gonna do about, let's say 15%, and then I'm gonna hit my select tool. My select tool is on automatic. I'm gonna simply tap my image, and I'm gonna go to the right. Now, as I go to the right, you can see what it's outlining. It's acting a little crazy. Let's do it again. So there's a bit of an outline, and if you keep going, the outline gets thicker. I can take it down, or I can keep making it thicker, or it'll end up color filling the entire page if you take it all the way to 100%. But yes, so for this outline, it's about 25%. And it's just that simple, guys. So I'm going to do it again really quickly for those who may not have understood. So let's start from the top. So you have your basic flower image that we started with in the beginning. Duplicate that layer. My color fill is already white because that's the outline that I want the sticker to be. So alpha lock, fill layer, turn off alpha lock, magic wand, Gaussian blur, about 16%, select tool, automatic, tap the image, drag to the right, and there's my sticker, guys. So once you're done, of course, you can merge these layers. I can move them around. I can rotate it. Of course, it could have been a better looking flower, but I didn't want this video to be too long. And this will work for anything you've drawn. It doesn't matter if it's text, if it's image. This should basically work for you. So this is how I create my stickers, and this is how I get that easy outline without having to do the hard way. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again.